Just landed in Canada, hearing everyone talk about credit scores, but you have no idea what that even means? You have come to the right place. Let's break down what a credit score is, why it matters, how it's calculated, and how you can build it from scratch. I'm Pratik.
And I'm Choiti.
Welcome to 2 Cents Diaries. Let's get started.
So, what is a credit score? A credit score is a 3-digit number between 300 and 900 that tells your lenders how trustworthy you are with borrowed money. The higher your credit score, the better. In Canada, a credit score that is higher than 660 is considered good, and above 760 is considered excellent. Credit score is managed by two major bureaus, Equifax and TransUnion.
Why credit score matter in Canada? Your credit score matters because it affects renting a home, getting a mortgage or a car loan, applying for a credit card, even getting a job in some industries. So as you can see, it's really important.
We have an interesting story to share. When we first moved to Canada, we applied for a bunch of rental places. But since we didn't have a credit score by the time, most of it got rejected. It was really disappointing and discouraging.
Even when I went to get some phone plans, Rogers had some great plans. They denied my application. They didn't think I was qualified for the offer because I did not have any credit score. That's when we realized credit score is really important and we should have started building it from day one.
Now let's talk about how a credit score is calculated. The largest chunk, 35%, which is your payment history. Like, do you pay your bills and credit cards on time? Next, credit utilization, 30%. How much of your credit are you using? Always try to keep it under 30%. Then credit history length, 15%. The longer your accounts are open, the better.
Next is credit mix, which is 10%. Having a variety of credit types helps. For example, credit cards or other loans like your car loan, etc. Last is new inquiries, which is 10%. Too many applications in a short span of time can hurt your score. Next, our 2 cents on how to build credit score in Canada. Number 1, start with a no fee or starter credit card. You can apply for cards like the CIBC Dividend Visa card, which is a no-fee card. It's easy to get approved as a newcomer. And you'll earn cashback on your everyday spending while building credit score.
Never cancel your first credit card. It helps build a long credit history which boosts your credit score over time. Think of your first credit card like your oldest friend. You don't want to ghost them. If the card has a monthly fee and you're not using it much anymore, then don't close it. Instead, downgrade to a no-fee version to keep the account and your credit history alive without paying anything extra.
Next, pay off the full balance. Initially, try to make small purchases like your groceries or transit, and always remember to pay the full balance off before the due date. Otherwise, your credit score will get hurt and your pocket as well because you are going to pay extra interest.
Automatic payments. Set up automatic payments to never miss a due date. Credit utilization. Use less than 30% of your credit limit to show you're responsible.
Next, regularly keeping tabs on your credit score. There are free apps like Borrowell, ClearScore, Credit Karma that can help you keep tabs on your credit score. Try to check them regularly to see where you're making progress and where you can improve. Last, be patient. I know it sounds boring, but it takes at least 6 to 12 months to build a meaningful credit history and thus your credit score. So you have to wait. There's nothing you can do. There's no shortcuts really.
Let us know in the comment section below what helped you to build your credit score. In our next video, we will explore some of the top cashback credit cards in Canada and how to utilize them effectively. Don't miss it.
If you're new in Canada and confused where to start, or you are just planning for the big move, watch this video. We discuss about the 7 most important things you should get done as soon as you land in Canada. In the meantime, stay safe, stay curious, and keep growing.